dumb, which is goofy, dumb, 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 goofy. Temporarily unable or unwilling to speak. Temporarily unable or unwilling to speak. Verse 1. Resulting in or expressed by speechlessness. Speechless, tongue-tied, wordless, silent at the last 4 words, voiceless, inarticulate, taciturn, uncommunicative, untalkative, and untalkative, tight-lipped, close-mouthed, saying nothing. Of a person unable to communicate through speech on account of a congenital or pathological condition. 1. Of animals, unable to speak as a natural state and thus regarded as helpless or deserving pity. Mute, unable to speak, without the power of speech, aphasic, aphonic. Lacking intelligence, stupid. Stupid, unintelligent, ignorant, dense, brainless, mindless, foolish, slow-witted, slow, dull, dull-witted, witless, half-witted, blackish, doltish, dunce-like, simple, simple-minded, empty-headed, vacuous, vapid, idiotic, moronic, imbecilic, cretinous, obtuse, bovine, lumpish, thick, dim, dopey, deepy, dozy, half-baked, slow on the uptake, soft in the head, thick-headed, chuckle-headed, dunder-headed, wooded-headed, fat-headed, thick-skulled, mutton-headed, bone-headed, lame-brained, bird-brained, pea-brained, brain-dead, dead from the neck up, daft, not the full shilling, as thick as 2 short planks, dottish, damas.